Welcome back, traders. In this video I'll be doing gold trading analysis. Where exactly is price going to, and then the possible order block that price is likely going to respect. So this is the last analysis I did on this channel, and then you can see it ended up giving us like a 1:39. So this particular analysis I'm about to do right now is going to give us like more than 1:50. So sit back, let's get into the video right now. So the first thing to do is just like to go to higher time frame, so we can check from our weekly time frame. Let's just choose 1 week. Then if you check weekly time frame right now, we don't have much information based on weekly time frame. What weekly time frame is saying, you like price is going to go below this particular low here, this particular entry, the place to set our entry. So this is all weekly time frame is saying, that price is going to go below this particular place, so likely going to respect this particular area here. But this can end up taking more than a month, you understand? But we are not going to like to focus on weekly time frame, we are going to focus on daily time frame. So let's just go back to like a daily time frame. So you can see price end up breaking this high and also this particular high here, so making this particular order block what a strong order block. Let me just reduce this. Okay, making this particular order block what a strong order block. You have to draw this particular order block out, and then if you have to use this particular order block to enter into a trade, let me just check it out. How many ratios is going to give us? If you set our stop loss there, then set what our take profit exact place that price is right now. So you can check right now that this price right now is going to give you like 1:2, but I'm not kind of trader that always look for lower ratio. My smallest ratio start from 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, 1:30. So right now what you're going to be doing just like to go down to the lower time frame. So these daily time frame, so you're going to go down to like our 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, you can see this particular candle, it's ended what in a bearish candle. So from this particular low to this particular high, it's no more our major concern. Our major concern is just this particular order block. So let me just delete all this line. So I mean this particular low from this particular place, then to this particular high. So you're not going to focus in this particular area again. So you're not going to focus in this particular area. So our major focus is going to be in this particular order block. Then if you check from our far left side, and then you can see that price end up breaking to IZ. Price end up breaking this particular high, and also price end up breaking this particular high here. So you can see two highs, making this particular order block here is strong but order block. So you're going to like to make use of this particular order block. Yeah. Then let me set our entry and then see how many ratios is going to give us. Delete this. Delete this also. Delete it. So let me check the number of ratios going to give us if you have to enter the trade from here. Then it says stop loss in this particular low, and then it said take profit here. So market is going to give us like 1:7, so you can see in for more. So let's just go down to like 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame. So on 2-hour time frame, we have what one order block here, and then it is check if our left side, this far place, price end up breaking this particular high here, and also price end up breaking this particular high. I'm sorry, let me redraw it. This particular high. What's responsible for these two break is this particular order block here. Can you see we have 2-hour order block here, but this order block is not what a strong order block, even though it's a real order block, but price is not going to respect it. It's just because you have what an order block on 4-hour time frame that is almost below it, you understand? This is the issue, this is the mistake I see that many traders are doing, even though they are trading real order block. At the end of the day, they'll end up telling me that my strategy is not working and all those stuff. The issue is just like you don't understand how to move from time frame to time frame. Just like right now, let me just give an example. For example, you want to go back to an event that happened last year. So your first approach is going to be on yearly time frame, which is probably last year. Then from last year, then you from yearly time frame you can move down to like a monthly time frame. From monthly time frame you can move down to like a weekly time frame. From weekly time frame you can move down to like a daily time frame. From daily time frame you can move down to like a hour time frame. From hour time frame you can move down to like a minute time frame. From minute time frame you can move down to like a seconds, you understand? So you can't move down from yearly time frame to like a weekly time frame. No, you're going to miss the points, you understand? You can't move down from yearly time frame to hour time frame. You're going to miss the point. So you have to move down from hour time frame to lower time frame step by step, not just like jumping one time frame for another time frame. So right now on 4-hour time frame, you can see that this particular order block is what a strong order block. But meanwhile on 2-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame is telling us that this particular order block here, this particular order block is what a strong order block. So you're not going to make use of this particular order block. I know that a lot of traders are going to make use of this particular order block. That price is going to respect this, and also if you share this particular order block, it look like a demand zone and a place that price is here to mitigate. So I'm not expecting price to respect this particular area, so you're going to draw our what order block below this particular place. So our order block is going to be below it. So right now we can go down to like a 1 hour time frame to find a perfect order block also on our time frame. So from 1 hour time frame right here, this is the order block. This is our focus. This area right here is what our major focus. Nothing concern us about this particular movement again. So this area is what our main focus. So you have to like to check, does price end up breaking like any high here? No, price not break any high here. You can see that price end up breaking this particular high, but this high here is what under range. And then this another issue, and then another mistake that I see a lot of traders doing. Before you can conclude that price end up breaking one particular high, the high has to be at the left side. It's just like if you draw letter V shape. So before you can see that price end up breaking structure, it has to break it in this particular area, not its own range. Because if you check the market here, let me delete this. If you check the market here, you can see that price is doing what on a bearish direction. Lower low, then higher low, lower low, then higher low, then lower low. So this one is neither higher high or higher low or nothing. Or the price end up breaking this particular high, that's when you can conclude that price has end up breaking what is structure. So all this movement that up here is still what under range, you understand? So you're not going to like to see that price end up breaking this particular high here. So you have to go down to like lower time frame, just like let's check 20 minutes time frame. Or let's check 30 minutes first. Let's get to 30 minutes before 20 minutes. So on 30 minutes time frame right here, you can see that this movement is still what under range. So let me delete this. You can see that price end up breaking this particular high. So the only high you can see that price end up breaking is this particular high here. And also probably let's just check on 20 minutes time frame. For 30 minutes time frame, this is still the other block. Let's check 20 minutes time frame. So on 20 minutes time frame right now, you can see that price end up breaking this particular high and also this particular high here. This particular high. Does price really break this high? Let's check. If you check this particular high very well, you can see that it's this particular high that end up breaking it. Can you see? This high end up going above it with a little peep, you understand? So it's the one that is responsible for this break and also this particular break here. This particular break. So we are going to be making use of what 20 minutes order block. So 20 minutes order block, where's our 20 minutes order block? So you can see this is what is responsible for it. So this is the order block responsible for it. So we can be sure that price is going to come all the way down to this particular order block, and also this particular low here is what a liquidity. This particular low here is what a liquidity, and then we'll be expecting price to come all the way back to this particular order block. And also if you check about this particular order block, we have what a fair value gap. So we have what a fair value gap here. Can you see we have fair value gap? Let me change the color to like blue. So price is probably going to come all the way down to tap into this particular fair value gap and also probably tap into what this particular order block here. So you are going to be making use of this particular 20 minutes order block. So you don't need to go down to lower time frame anymore. Let's just check how many ratio this one is going to give us. Let's check how many ratio. So we're gonna set our entry here and then set what our stop loss here. This particular place, and also you can give room for like a spread. You can add spread to it also. Then we go back to like daily time frame to set what our take profit. So on daily time frame, you're going to set your take profit exact high that price eventually end up getting to before coming down. So you can see this particular trade right here is going to be like 1:51 guys, 1:51. So let's just go back to like 20 minutes time frame. So on 20 minutes time frame right here, I said something in this particular area. I said this particular low is what a liquidity. I mean this particular low. So and then we have what a fair value gap here. price can end up coming back to this particular fair value gap and start going what's on a bullish trend, and price will not tap into this particular order block. But I'm going to like to be giving you another approach to this particular trade. If price does not come back to this particular order block, what you're going to do to also enter into the trade. And also, don't risk very high for this particular trade if price eventually come down to this particular order block. So we are all reacting to the market together, so don't risk high. You can just risk 1% of your account, and then let's wait if the market is going to play out, and then this is going to give you like 1:51 or 1:50. So if you're risking 1%, you can end up making like just 50% of your account if you're risking 1%. So let me just give you another approach if price does not come back to this particular order block. So let me delete this, and then let's go back to like 4-hour time frame. So the second approach is just like let me delete all this. I made a video on top down analysis. You can watch the video. I make use of the analysis there, and then how to use that particular strategy. So you're going to like to make use of this particular 4-hour order block. So you're going to draw out this particular 4-hour order block, and then you'll be expecting price to come all the way down to this particular 4-hour order block. So once price gets to this particular 4-hour order block, then you start to analyze the market. You start to study the market. Once you see like a break construction on 15 minutes, that price goes on a bullish direction, make use of the strong order block. I'll make a video on how to identify a reorder block, so you can watch the video to know the exact order block you're going to use, so you won't miss out the trade. So let me just give an example of what I mean. For example, price is here, and then I'll be expecting price to come all the way back to this particular order block. Let me do something like this, and then the price get here, and then price eventually tap into this particular order block, and then price eventually break this particular 2 high. So I'll be making use of order block that price is going to give me this particular area. So the order block can be anywhere, so I'm going to like to make use of this particular order block and then set my take profit here. So this is the second approach to it, you understand. So I've made a video about how to identify a reorder block, so make sure you watch that video to know how to approach this particular trade, and also make sure to watch my video on top down analysis, so you don't miss this particular trade. You know how to react to it once price gets to this particular area here. So if you find this video interesting, please kindly like this video right now, and then if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and also make sure you share this video to a lot of people, like friends, if you are into any group, so they also can have access to this particular trade and then make profit from this particular trade. So by doing that, it won't be only you that's going to benefit from this particular analysis I did here, so a lot of people also is going to benefit from me. So we are going to make profit together. So make sure you share this video to a lot of people. So please, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe right now. I really appreciate that, so you won't miss out from my next video. So see you in my next video.